Hello my beautiful glam sisters, welcome to today's video. We are testing out the brand new Makeup Forever HD Skin Powdered Foundation. We're going to see how it holds up compared to my holy grail previous version called the Matte Velvet Powder. And you guys know, if you're a glam fam sister, this is just like my ultimate powdered foundation. And I have been wearing powdered foundation for over 30 years. I mean, longer than most of these influencers have been alive. So I am just an expert, I will say, when it comes to powdered foundation. So this is the Makeup Forever 100mm pop, and this is $12 on their site. This is my favorite way to apply powdered foundation. I mean, seriously, you guys, what pores? This is why this is amazing. Amazing. It never looks cakey, especially this formula. Other powdered foundations, I can't say the same thing. I am going to give this a solid